Hi everyone, Monday Rapid Fire. Today, these charts are actually really simple. We cannot be bullish on Bitcoin until it gets back above the 200-week moving average, a bunch of these littler ones, but also the 200-day moving average, which is just above 27,000. So right now we're a bit of no man's land, very clearly flanked by some larger moving averages. Therefore, this box down here, this liquidity zone on all this volume, is a very obvious spot where Bitcoin wants to gravitate towards. I'd love to see a wick into that zone before we can maybe look for higher prices. Popping down on the daily, it looks a little better, but still ugly with that retest of the underside support now turn resistance there of that 200-day moving average. Again, I'm not bullish on this whole market structure unless we can climb back above here, and you can look at it in those two ways. Beneath 25,000 is a real danger zone. We can really plunge straight down into liquidity, but if we get above these regions, you can climb on that with a bit more confidence. So that's the way I'm looking at it. I'm also seeing a rather extreme bullish divergence appear here with these candle closes just drifting downwards while the momentum on the RSI is gaining in strength. So if below 25,000 does come to fruition, then I'm looking at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. And again, this just looks very obvious as a drop zone here into liquidity for a lot of altcoins. So I foresee this to be a very nice buying opportunity. If Bitcoin does have that gulp beneath 25,000, then most altcoins are going to feel a lot of stress and dip into this zone. Or I think we have that reversal, which puts us around 400 billion, give or take. Finally, just want to highlight some crypto tokens that are not looking too hot. If you look at here, everyone's favorite frog, Pepe, is now underneath crucial weekly support. This is on the daily, but it's also weekly support. Doesn't matter. It's underneath it. It's just come up and retested that underside. So there is no support, really volume support that is, until back down maybe a 50% haircut from here. So be very careful with Pepe if it just continues to stay under this support level. Does not look too flash, especially if the broader market has a fall. And if we just drop on over to another really popular token, that is Cardano. It's held up really well in recent times without having a major crash through a big support level. So it is showing a bit of relative strength in that respect, but it also hasn't, followed through like a lot of crypto tokens. So I'd be paying attention to this. If it does actually break this, then it will have its day where we see it really flush to the downside. So this is that level, that 25-cent level. Watch for a bit of a close under, and just be careful you're holding, Cardano in this region and it starts to drift below, because then it can really have that haircut. Guys, if you've watched this and you've loved it, make sure to pay attention to our newsletter or other video content that comes out on Wednesdays as well. And we also produce a lot of content every single Thursday via our newsletter with signals, on-chain data, and also market analysis. Have a great day. I'll catch you again next time.